friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of vintage country style farmhouse decorating. Whether you live in a rural area or a bustling city, these ideas will help you infuse your home with timeless charm and rustic elegance. From antique finds to cozy textiles, we will explore a variety of vintage inspired elements that will transform your space into a cozy retreat that's perfect for relaxation and entertaining. So let's get started with some vintage country style farmhouse decorating ideas. One of the key elements of vintage country style farmhouse decorating is the use of distressed furniture and antique finds. We will explore how to incorporate vintage pieces such as weathered tables, chippy paint dressers, and worn-in armchairs into your home decor. We will also discuss how to mix and match different styles and eras to create a cohesive and eclectic look that's full of character and personality. Soft textiles and fabrics play a crucial role in creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in a vintage country-style farmhouse. We will explore how to incorporate elements like vintage-inspired quilts, knitted throws, and plaid cushions into your decor. We will also discuss how to layer different textures and patterns to add depth and visual interest to your space, creating a warm and welcoming ambience that's perfect for curling up with a good book or hosting intimate gatherings with friends and family. Rustic accents and natural elements are essential components of vintage country-style farmhouse decorating. We will explore how to bring the beauty of the outdoors inside with elements like reclaimed wood, woven baskets, and botanical prints. We will also discuss how to incorporate organic materials such as jute, sisal, and rattan into your decor to add warmth and texture to your space. Whether you are accessorizing with vintage-inspired signs or displaying fresh flowers in antique pictures, these rustic accents will infuse your home with authentic farmhouse charm. The kitchen and dining area are the heart of any vintage country-style farmhouse. We will explore how to create a cozy and inviting space for cooking, dining, and entertaining. From farmhouse sinks and butterflow countertops to vintage-inspired dishware and enamelware, we will share ideas for incorporating vintage elements into your kitchen and dining decor. We will also discuss how to create a welcoming atmosphere with elements like farmhouse tables, Windsor chairs, and rustic lighting fixtures that evoke the charm of a bygone era. Vintage country-style farmhouse decorating is all about creating a cozy and inviting home that's full of charm and character. By incorporating elements like distressed furniture, cozy textiles, rustic accents, and vintage-inspired kitchen and dining decor, you can transform your space into a timeless retreat that celebrates the beauty of the past. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and that they help you bring the warmth and charm of vintage farmhouse style into your own home. So watch this video till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home decorating ideas. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon in the next video. Till then, happy decorating.